Hello, so this is vlog 5. For today's topic, we're discussing the different stages of software development lifecycle. And there are 6 stages. It's planning, analysis, design, development, and implementation. That's 1 together, testing and maintenance. So with planning, you're looking at the strengths and weaknesses of the project. So you're basically determining the scope and the requirements that is needed to go ahead with this project and see how it might progress. The next step is analysis. You're looking at the task, the goals, deadlines, how much it may cost, the budget, and making note on if there's additional requirements or additional things that you may have missed in the planning stage. Next one is design. So you're taking all that information that you had from the analysis stage and you're seeing the bigger picture. So you're looking at how the project or even the software will look at as a whole. And you're, creating a standard for the possibility of how the software might look and how it might function. So next step is development and implementation. This is where you take the architecture of the design and you actually code or you develop the actual software. You're pretty much putting all your ideas, all your requirements together to create it. And once the software is developed, that's when you're going to implement it. You're going to press go and see how does it work. Is it going from, how does it look from beginning to end? And sometimes you run a pilot to see, or a demo to see if anything's missing. Just a quick run through of the design of the development of the software. After that, that's when it goes into testing, quality control. You're looking to see if anything's missing. Is there any glitches? How does it look as a whole? How does it work with other modules in the bigger system? Is it smaller units? That's testing. So that way you're able to detect and specify if anything's going wrong, and you're able to go to that specific unit and fix it. And with integration testing, you're integrating those smaller units to the bigger system and see if they work well together. Because as you know, sometimes with software, it may work by itself, but once you try to make it work with everything else, it might not go hand in hand. So with that, that's when you either have a go, no go with the software, and you set it live. And from there, you notate anything that could go wrong, if there's any modifications or optimizations. So this category, it can fall under maintenance. You're taking notes on what can make the software better. How can it work better? Is there anything wrong, anything missing? Usually the users of the software would let you know, hey, this over here at this section, it's not going with the workflow. It's not going correctly. And from there, you note on that and see how you can implement optimization and for further maintenance. Maintenance also includes system upgrades and fixing anything that could go wrong with that new software that you created, you developed. that's all I have for the 6 stages of software development lifecycle. And I believe it goes hand in hand with project management. Since it's broken down into different stages, you're able to keep a better grasp and look at the deadlines, tasks, and hit milestones and goals. So that's all I have. Thank you.